Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically switch inputs to your PlayStation 5 when you turn it on. And this will also turn on your TV. So if you don't have this option on, you're going to have to get up and turn on your PlayStation 5 separately, and then you're going to have to go to the different input sliders on your TV. And this is going to get a little bit annoying every time you do this. So here's my Amazon Fire TV. I have to go to PlayStation right here on my HDMI 4. And then switch over like this. Now, if you have this setting on, all you have to do is turn on your PlayStation 5, or you can just press the PlayStation button on the controller, and it'll switch the inputs automatically. So let's go up to the top and go to Settings right here, and then scroll on down to System. Now go to HDMI and go to the right, and turn on a HDMI device link right here, and enable this. Then you have Enable One Touch Play, and this is what we want to make sure is turned on, the check mark. If you turn on your PS5, the connected device will also turn on and switch its input to the PlayStation 5. Turn on your TV. Well, if you have your PlayStation 5 turning on, well, it's going to automatically switch over to that input, and you won't have to go through that list. Then you have Enable Power Off Link. If you turn off the device connecting to your PS5 will enter rest mode. So if you notice your PS5 randomly turning off at some situations, make sure you have this unchecked mark, and then you won't have that situation occur. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.